Hi traders, it's Roberto, the analysis for this coming week, and it's going to be different trading the next few weeks because of the holidays. So coming into this week, it should be okay. Towards the end of the week, around Thursday and Friday, things could get a little bit volatile or not much volume coming in. So regardless, we trade technicals, so whatever we see, we trade it regardless of what's happening for the holidays. So the first one, looking at the euro, yen, euro New Zealand, euro Australian dollars. So here I'm using a 50 moving average line on a higher time frame on a daily chart, because when there are setups, whether using candlestick patterns or divergence, a confirmation of that trade signal would be a break of the 50 moving average line. Of course, it's very lagging, but sometimes you'll see price bouncing off that 50% retracement level, and or rather that 50 moving average line, and that is very, very helpful. So what we see right now is clear divergence on the Euro Australian dollar. It's been bouncing off for 3 days off that 50 moving average line, and I'm waiting for price to break below. Now, probably going to experience some Monday retracement to the upside, like that, and then here is the swing point right there. So if it does go up, it shouldn't go up any higher than that swing point, and then turn around and head south. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for, and targeting these levels down here at 150.60 area. So that's the first one. Euro New Zealand clearly has broken a trend line, divergence. This is a classic textbook divergence setup where you have divergence. Clearly we're in a downtrend on Euro New Zealand now, but of course it's oversold on stochastics. I don't have it up here, but expect some sort of retracement before it sells off. That may happen. If it doesn't, then you can trade this if it breaks Friday's low or Thursday's low. And I haven't really found a target other than 166.50 is the first. Actually, it's a little bit lower than that. It's down here 166.29, and closing below that, because it is divergence. We're in a downtrend now. We're no longer in an uptrend. This thing started back in July 2017, and now it's going in the opposite direction. So for the next few months, through possibly maybe through the spring, we'll see the Euro New Zealand dollar headed south with, of course, retracements. Okay. Pound New Zealand, the same thing. Divergence, prices below the 50 moving average line. We have a trend line break. So this definitely will continue to sell off as well. Just watch out for that Monday retracement, and use the 1 hour chart for your entries. Okay, so divergence, trend line break, waiting for the retracement to finish, and sell it. So it may do this. Okay, and we're looking for a target of 87.50 is the first target, and then the second target would be down here at 183.41. Euro yen's consolidating. Okay, we have divergence on a daily chart, and it's just been caught in this. So we need a clear break to the downside, and then we're targeting 129.20 area, but it needs to really close below 131. Once it closes, a body of the candle closing below 131, we're going to have a huge sell-off on euro yen. It's still too early to tell, but it's really wants to break below the support. Notice that every time it shot up, it just came back down, and there's a good support and a good resistance level. We'll see what happens on the next few days. Pound yen, target 147 area. We had divergence on a 4 hour chart. On a daily chart, we also have a daily, divergence on a daily chart as well. Okay, so there it is. Wave patterns going lower, price action going higher. We know that that is divergence. the first target, which is a very strong support level. Notice the resistance turns support, and on a daily chart it hit a few times. So that's the target. Okay, we have divergence. The divergence, what does it mean? It just means that change in direction, sentiment has changed, and this rally that started all the way back in April of 2017, pretty much over. We should be heading south from here. And that's it. That's all I have for tonight. And I haven't entered any trades yet, and I'm going to wait for the European session to open and take those trades. So have a good trading week, and talk to you guys in the trade room.